In this video, I'll be showing you how to add effects in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually super easy to go ahead and do this, and basically, this is going to be very useful so that you can make your edits look even nicer for whatever you're making, really. And you can do this on any version of Premiere Pro. Right now, I am on the latest one, but they haven't really changed any of the UI recently, so that's a good thing. So all you want to do is locate your effects panel. So it's going to be usually right here. If you can't find it though, just go to window, look for effects, or press shift 7 and the window is going to appear. Then over here you're going to see transitions and effects as well, both for audio and video. So all you got to do is go ahead and select whichever one you want. And let's say I want to do like video effects right here. There's going to be so many different ones. So I could do something like, film impact tools. And then I can just do like something like clone effects right here, enable that. Go. And then if I want to edit any effects or anything like that, all I got to do is go to effect controls. And then I have my effects right here. And I can just really just do whatever I want to it. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.